Hey, I'm carrying some heavy news. Our baby boy, Eden, was diagnosed with brain cancer. It's called ATRT. It's a cancer that is very aggressive, and it occurs in the cerebellum part of the brain. It's kind of the back. It's around the brainstem, which is very important, of course. I wanted to share it with you because he's right now fighting for his life, and I just wanted to see if anybody here knows anything about ATRT, or have by chance professionals that know about it. We have a great care team that we're working with, but this is a very new field. It's a very rare type of cancer, so there isn't a lot of information about it yet, unfortunately. And so if there are we're looking to see if there are new medications. So yeah, we're looking to see if there are new medications that can potentially save our baby boy. He's 6 months old. He's a good fighter. Just wanted to reach out to see. I understand most people won't have people in friends or colleagues in oncology departments, but I just wanted to reach out to see if anything might happen, just to put it out there. So we're trying to figure it out. He's in treatment, starting treatment. He's in the hospital. I was there for 2 weeks. I just came back to see our daughter. We have twins, so that's even complicating things. She's healthy. We're scanning her right now, but she's healthy. So yeah, if you know anything, please share. I'll have the email here, so you can send me an email if there's information. Again, we have a team, but we're trying to see if there are new treatments that we're not aware of, new experiments, because this is, again, a very niche is not the word, but a very rare type of cancer, which is very aggressive, and it's hard to know exactly how to treat it at this moment. I know most people won't have that information, so I totally understand. But if not, you can just send good vibes to Eden, and hopefully he can recover fully soon, and we can be a happy family together. Thank you again. I'm sorry it's a different kind of video. I really appreciate everybody here in the channel. It might take me a little longer to create content. I'll do my best. It's actually nice to try and potentially play music and create things. It might take me longer than I hope for, and I hope to see you soon with a lot of good news. Thank you. 1 2 1 2 testing. מופי, תעשי בדיקה. יופי, כל הכבוד. מופי, עוד בדיקה אחת. 1 2 1 2 1 2 testing. מופי, תעשי בדיקה. תעשי בדיקה. תגידי 1 2 1 2. תגידי 1 2 1 2. היא לא אומרת. Okay, let's do this.